So this is the image I'm going to use. So the first thing we need to do is to remove the background from the person here. So go to select and then remove BG. And now we need to watch a short ad, just click OK. So here it is, and now right click on the mask here, on the raster mask, and then click apply. And now I'm going to create a new layer, click on this icon. And now I'm going to select the eyedropper tool, left click here, so here it is. I'm just going to pick a color here. And now left click on the foreground, so I'm going to take a light color like this. So here's the HTML notation, press OK. Select the paint bucket tool, and then left click, and now place it under the person layer. So I'm just going to, then now left click, so I'm going to leave it here. And now select the person layer, right click, convert it into smart object. And now go to filter, stylize, and then select oil paint. So I'm going to make sure to uncheck the lighting here, left click. So for the radius, I will go with around 2.6. So for the cleanliness, I'm going to increase it to around 4. So I'm going to leave it here. The scale, I'm going to increase it all the way up. So I'm going to leave all these settings as they are. As you can see, it made our person layer here smoother. And now just click OK. And now go to filter again, noise, and then select reduce noise. So I'm going to reduce it by around 3. Going to leave these as they are and then click OK. So let's select the zoom tool. So as you can see, it made the person layer here smoother. And now go to filter and then select filter gallery and then select poster edges. So I'm going to reduce the posterization to 1 and increase the edge thickness. And then I'm going to decrease the edge intensity and then press OK. And now I'm going to click on this icon here to close the layer here. And now I'm going to duplicate it. So right click, duplicate layer, and then go to filter. So I just want to add, for example, the outlines here around all the edges here, the coat and the person. So go to filter and then select filter gallery. And then let's go back to poster edges. And now this time I'm going to reduce the posterization again to 1. Edge intensity to 1 and then edge thickness to 2. So I'm going to leave it here. Now press OK. So now as you can see, we have kind of outlines here. So now I just want to remove the outlines from the face here. So I'm going to add the mask here. Click on this icon here to the second layer here, this one here. We just duplicated. Click on this icon here. Select the brush tool. Going to increase a little bit the size. Make sure the foreground is black, and now I'm going to paint on the areas here I want to remove. So here like this. So for example, on this highlight here, I want to remove the outline. So for example, you can still slightly reveal it. So I'm going to change the foreground to white. Press OK. Reduce the opacity of the brush. And then I'm just going to reveal it here. A little bit here like this. So I think I'm going to leave it here. And now I'm going to hide the background layer. So I want to create a new layer from what's visible on the Canva. So hold the Alt key, the Shift key, and the Control key, and then press E. So here it is. Now I'm going to hide the bottom layers. Let's reveal the background layer. Select the person layer. So now I will select the eraser tool. I'm just going to remove this part here. So here it is, and now I'm just going to add the slight outline here around the person. So right click on the person layer, select blend the options. Going to move the layer style window to the right. Click on stroke. So the fill type is color, the color is black, so here it is. And now I'm just going to increase the size to 5. So for the position, you can choose it from outside, inside. So for me, I think I will go with center and then press OK. And now select the zoom tool, right click, zoom out. Select the hand tool, left click. I'm going to move it here. Now I'm going to import another image here of buildings. So this is the image I'm going to use. I'm going to move it under the person here layer. So now let's select the move tool. Check the transform controls. Now I'm going to place it here like this. I'm going to scale it up a little bit, so in order to give it the look of a GTA loading screen. And now I'm just going to change the color here of the buildings here. So right click on the layer, select blending options, select color overlay, left click on the black color here. So now for example I will choose this color here. Here's the HTML notation, and then press OK, and then press OK. So now I forgot to duplicate the layer so you can see the before and after. I'm going to import it. So here it is. This is the before and this is the after